Hello student. Today we have to learn formatting tag using Edit Plus software. This software free from Google. You can download it and install it. This software can be support HTML or other scripting languages. First, how to run this software. Firstly, start Edit Plus, File, New. You have to many option like that. You have to support scripting languages like as HTML, JSP, JavaScript, VBScript, Python, Ruby. Also support programming language like as C++, C language, Java language. We have to choose HTML. In this language can be execute a web page in Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Firstly, we have to learn formatting tag. In formatting tag, we have to learn title of page, heading of page, bold, italic tag, underline tag, also font tag. We have to start this file new HTML. This is a ready-made code you have to provide Edit Plus software. Also, it is a directory where you have to save your file. Firstly, we have to start primary level. First type HTML tag, also end of HTML. Then important tag is title tag, end of title tag. Then heading tag, we have to use header. End of head tag. Then main part is body tag. Simply, we have to types this. In HTML, enclose between all the tag. It is compulsory. Title tag can be show title bar like this. Heading tag can be show heading of the web page on this place. How it can be run? Just press Ctrl B. We have to show the title, web design and heading formatting tag. If it can be laid centered, you can also control plus B. You have to choose center alignment here. Again row like that. Then main part of formatting tag is bold tag. You have to use B. This is bold tag, end of B. Then also italic tag, you can use I symbol. This is italic tag, end of I. Then also use underline, you can use simple U. This is underline tag, end of underline tag. This is the main thing of our formatting tag. When we have to run, Control plus B, bold tag, italic tag, underline tag. If this is a one sentence, we have to next line to other sentence Then we have to create simply break, means br, like here, break, break, break. Also here break. Then what is the output? Like this. Wait, the gap between is so less. We have to choose more gap. Then again, like this. This is a simple formatting. Also you have to use color. If I have to color for background, then simply click on body, use bg color is equal to, in double quotation mark, you have to choose red or show it. If you have to mention other colors, you can select that color box and select many things of colors. This is the code of color box, like that. Then we have to again learn font tag. In simply, Edit Plus can be support ready-made tag, font tag. You have to write sentence. This is example of font tag. You have to also mention the size. We have to write 30. Also mention the color for font red. Also it can be said name. We have to choose Time New Roman. And execute it like that. This web page can be executed Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, which has been fully support Edit Plus software. Then we have to learn title tag, heading tag, bold tag, italic tag, underline tag, and font tag. This is the main thing of our formatting tag. Also you can choose center tag also. Suppose we have to write anything of main in center, just like type this is center tag. You can choose the sentence, simply click, and also it can be convert or create font. Font size is 40. We have to mention the color and execute it. This is our center tag. Also it format font tag, his size and color. This is a very good example of formatting tag. Now in next session we have to learn simple image tag.